Today's tutorial is this cute modern lamp. Stay tuned and see how fun and easy this is to make. Alright, this is probably the simplest project I've ever shown you guys, but I decided it would be a fun one to do today. You only need two things. One of this style lids off of, they come on glue bottles, and there's even a version here on my E6000 tube. This one came off a toothpaste, so it's a little bigger, but one of those and a golf tee, the shape of golf tee. With the golf tee, safely cut off the end of it, so it just comes out like that. Okay, just a little bit of space. Little E6000. Clean it out really well. I used a cotton swab and cleaned out any remaining toothpaste from the top of that. Put some E6000 down in there. Wipe away any that's up on the top. Do your best to center this and get it standing straight up and down. Hold it until it will stay, and when it's dry I will come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, the glue has dried overnight and I love how this came out. I did get my golf tee a little bit off center. I'll probably fix that off camera, but I wanted to show you the process. I do love how this turned out, and I'll be buying the same brand of toothpaste so I can make a matching one. I can see these on each side of a couch in a mini living room. I think this would be really cute. Looks really sleek and modern. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Be sure and go over to the blog post. I'll have photos and more information over there. If you enjoy my content and haven't subscribed, I encourage you to hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.